friends, what if your router's CPU goes high or an interface goes down and you don't even know? Today we will automate network device health monitoring using the Python, correct? So welcome back to day 12 of network automation with Python series on Explore IT issue solution for all. So in the previous video, we automate backup, scheduling, email alerts and configuration phases. Process. But today we will build a real world node network health checkup automation. So what we will monitor. So in this script we have monitored CPU uses, memory uses, interface status, device timeout and routing information automatically using Python. So as you know, we have created the CSV file of our devices. We have added in this file, like we have 4 devices in my lab. So I'll show you just a minute. I'll show you the lab. This is our lab 192.168.4. I'm logged in here. You see this? This is our lab. So I have 4 devices in my lab. I have added in the 4 router. So we have create a script for these 4 devices to get the information about the health monitoring, like a CPU uses, monitor uses, interface status, device uptime and routing information using the Python script. So as you have understand, we have created the Excel file for added our devices here, like 1 2 3 4. This is our device IP and username and password and secret enable password. So I have created this file. Okay, after that we can install the Netmiko. If you are not subscribe our channel or you're not able to understand what is a Netmiko, so please request you to please subscribe my channel and see the all Python network series videos so you can easily understand. So as per this, we have created a script which is monitor the health of the devices. Just a minute, I'll show you. So this is our, I'm opening the notepad file. So see this, I'm using the import CSV here from the Netmiko import collect header, from the date time import date time and import OS. Okay, for backup and report folder. So first in this section I have created a folder, name of health folder is equal to OS path, which is all the output it saved in this folder, correct? Then we have checked the command. So what command we have to check? CPU uses, so process CPU, memory uses, so memory statics, interface status, so IP interface brief, routing table, so IP route, and device uptime. So as per your network infra, you can add or delete the information in the command line, correct? The main function with the open device CSV. Via this section we have opened the device.csv file, which is a Excel file as I have shown you earlier, and reader the CSV direct reader file for the device in reader. IP is equal to device and host. Try print function and connecting to the IP. Connection header and connection enabled. Okay, now date and time and file and folder and save file name is saved in this format. Date IP, I'll just show you the what is the name of this. Once I have run this script, you can easily understand. Okay, so now so as I told you, so in the first step we import the CSV and Netmiko libraries. In the second step we check the health command like this all. I'll show you this type of command you can add or delete as per your reporting. So then we can check the CPU. This is the check the device CPU uses, memory interface status like I already told you. Then connect the device. Okay, so in this section, the connection is equal to connect header. In this section, connect the devices and create a text health report. Okay, so now we have run this file, and first we need to save this file with the name of health check, like this, HEALT health underscore check dot py. Py is the extension of the Python, so we can use the py extension to run this script and save it in the desktop. Okay, so now I'm go to the cmd and go to the directory which I saved this file, cd.desktop, enter, and run here health check.py. So once I have insert the enter, hit the enter, then you see the actual information, what kind of information we have received in the text file, correct? So now I am hit the enter. See, this is trying to connect and checking the CPU memory interface state and health report saved in C drive. So desktop, and create a one folder, the health report, then name of the file, first router, IP address, time, and date. So this format we have saved the notepad file in the text format. So my all four devices are checked and saved the information in the health report. So now time to see the what kind of information we have received via this script. So I'm just go to the desktop and find the health report folder. So this is a health report folder. See this. In this folder we have received four files. First the router 1, router 2, router 3, and router 4. So I'm just clicking on the router 1. So you see this first command, our script, you see this, just a minute, I'll show you. The first command in our script is show CPU process. So now you can see show CPU process information we have received in the text file. And the next command is show memory. Okay, just a minute, I'll show you. Show memory statics. So we have received the memory information here. And third is show IP interface briefs. So we have received the information of the interfaces. And fourth one is show IP root. So you have see the raw IP root information here. And third one is show version. Okay, so these type of information we have received automatically by the Python script. You can run in the your network infrastructure and get the report from the routers or switches via Python automation. Correct? So I hope you have understand all the things as I show you. If you have any query or any concern about this script, please comment me, and also subscribe our channel for more video and hit the bell icon. Till then, thank you so much for watching our video.